Hi guys, welcome. We're here at Citrix 2018 introducing Chalan. Hi Chalan, thanks for joining us.
Hi Nick.
So what's your role here at Citrix? What do you do?
I'm responsible for the SD WAN product line and SD WAN services at Citrix.
Okay, so SD WAN's obviously a great technology that's expanding. Tell us a little bit around why Citrix is leading the technology discussion with SD WAN.
Think about what Citrix does. We're essentially helping our customers deliver applications or workspaces, and many of our customers, our estimation is about 80% of our customers have employees in branch offices. And branch offices need network connectivity of the best kind to deliver applications with the best experience. So that's why we invested in SD-WAN about 3 years ago. And we think we have a leading product that helps app delivery with SD-WAN from cloud, SaaS, data center, wherever they're being produced, we want to deliver them with SD-WAN to the users.
Okay, so what some of the specific challenges that it helps resolve? You talk about branch users. How are people working now in a new way of working? Let's say Microsoft 365 and Skype for Business Unified Comms. Tell us a little bit around why Microsoft partners who are leading with Unified Comms should consider SD-WAN as part of their technology.
Absolutely. If you are a Microsoft partner, you, I'm sure, are hearing about many of their cloud services. Office 365, Skype for Business, Dynamics, and you might be offering other services as well, particularly around collaboration. If you do so, you'll quickly realize that today's networks aren't quite designed for those cloud services unless there's some support like from a technology such as Citrix's SD-WAN technology. So to make sure that the users have a great experience from the cloud or from SaaS, think about SD-WAN, and we believe our SD-WAN is the best solution for that because we have all the adjustments and ability to understand applications such that we deliver the best interactive experience, the best Skype for Business experience, the best Office 365 experience, and so on and so forth.
Oh, that's wonderful. No, I absolutely understand that and work with a lot of customers around driving that message and how we can dynamically route those traffic. So tell me a little bit around, can you share some of the latest announcements here?
So the real goodies, absolutely. So as we evolve the SD-WAN technology, we're also finding that our customers have relatively sophisticated networks, for example. So we are introducing capabilities to match their evolving needs as they implement SD-WAN. Key things such as, for example, multicast. Many of our larger customers implement these multicast technologies when they want to broadcast some news, a CEO announcement, or even advertising for stores. So that's one example of some of our routing technology. We're also finding that as customers want to deploy SD-WAN in very large networks of, let's say, retail stores, they would like to have alternate network connectivity. So we're introducing network connectivity with 4G LTE to make it really easy to drop in a small appliance and then have a network up and running within a few minutes. We're also introducing many new services. For example, customers who want to connect into Azure. We're automating that such that if they have multiple workloads going to Azure, it's just a matter of a click to cloud and then off you go. So these are the new things that we're delivering for scale, simplicity, easy connectivity to the cloud.
Wonderful. And so that really presents a huge opportunity for partners who are perhaps looking at si parts that they need to deliver and not understand really how the jigsaw ties in with changing the network and what's happening there.
Yes, absolutely. So if you are a partner that have focused mostly on resale, you'll see that SD-WAN helps you start introducing new services. So when you look at a customer's needs, they want to turn on new applications, they want to onboard new cloud workloads, then they think about how to deliver those workloads to their users in branch offices. Each of these individually might seem small, but when you look at the total opportunity, it can be a lot of new product opportunities, new services opportunities, and also long-term engagement with your customers to have ongoing management of their infrastructure on their behalf such that they have a great experience.
So really, a number of great opportunities there for partners. You mentioned around service, so SD-WAN as a service is something that you can deliver from Citrix today.
Absolutely. In fact, we're actually encouraging many of our partners to consider that for multiple reasons. One, many of their customers are finding that they don't have all the IT skills to manage networks and applications and all that at the same time. So as a partner, you may have an opportunity to offer a set of services like SD-WAN, application delivery, even cloud onboarding, and wrap that up as a long-term engagement such that you're constantly improving, adjusting, monitoring the customer's environment and delivering them new value. It's a long-term engagement.
So changing the way people work, enabling new ways of working for people,
Absolutely.
dynamically and managing that network for them, giving them true visibility, providing the metrics back to the customer is something that SD WAN can provide.
Yeah, SD-WAN is, you have to think of things as I'm delivering applications and my network has to support that with all the deep visibility that a product like SD-WAN provides. So it's not your father's network anymore. It's a brand new network for the new world of application delivery, from hybrid cloud, from SaaS, even for your, of course, existing data center.
Wonderful, that's awesome to hear. Now, we're here in Summit 2018.
Yes.
What 3 words would you suggest to encourage partners around why they should consider coming to Summit 2019?
Very easy. Workspace, Citrix Cloud, and of course SD-WAN.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us, Chalan.
My pleasure. Thank you, Nick.